was the end of January 2017, and one of those cold, stormy days. So I don't know what to do, so I was surf the internet. And at one point, I just saw this Star Wars machine, and it bringing back a lot of memories when my kids used to play, including myself, in this machine, in this arcade. The arcade that gives you like 30 minutes of good play has a 6 different levels, but it's something special in this machine. They are good levels, and you can have fun for 30 minutes. I knew that the machine, the arcade, was not 100% function, so I was told all the problems, and I want to really take the challenge. I love, the Star Wars machine, the Star Wars movies, so big fan. And I say, I don't have nothing to do here, so let's do it. So I wanted to take the challenge and contact the owner. We arranged a shipment, and 2 weeks later, I saw this big truck parking outside with 1,200 pounds machine in 3 different pallets. And from there, I started working on the repair. It took a long time, about a year, just to find all the parts. I tried to find the problems, electronic, even special screws, because they are metric screws. So it's not easy to find. When I opened the arcade, there is a lot of computers, a lot of wiring. It was really full of dust, so I had to blow it, try to clean it first before I started to do anything. And then there was no monitor, TV monitor, is that projection. So the image was not clear anymore. So I decided to make a couple phone calls with technicians that they suggest to remove the projection and go with the nice TV, modern TV, to have a better picture, the graphics. And that's where really the big job started, because I had to remove all the projection, computers, wires, lens, and switch to the monitor. I don't know how many Star Wars trilogy this size, this shape, they have survived around the world. I was told no more than 300, but I don't even know how many they function right. So I want to really do something special, create something special. We brought it back to life, this beautiful Star Wars trilogy arcade. It's something special. I can really say to you that anyone get close to this machine, it's like the Force is calling you to play. It's your destiny to play. Mission completed.
That was amazing. That's such a transformation. Sebastian says the entire project took him a year, so yeah, talk about a labor of love. Servani, the before and after, and you have to really know what you're doing when you're working with all those little wires. There's a lot that can go wrong. And
I like that he said the Force calls you to play.
Yeah,
so
the Force.
Like, sorry, I was busy. The Force called me.
He had some time on his hands, and he put it to great use. That's really cool.